The floodwaters. The floodwaters. See the floodwaters? These are the floodwaters that I'm driving through. These are the floodwaters I'm driving through. Look at me go through the floodwaters. I'm driving through the floodwaters. Floodwaters, splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. Floodwaters, floodwaters. Look at me go through the floodwaters. This is Emmett, driving through the floodwaters. It looks like we're getting a little deep over here. Hopefully we don't get stuck. We'll have to get out and push. And bring my wading boots. Water getting a little deep. Water getting a little deep. Floodwaters, floodwaters, floodwaters. This is me driving through the floodwaters. That's all, folks.